Hello, now I'm going to write a program on the QBASIC for class 10, and then program will look like this after writing the program. Then the first is like most of the students has asked me about this question, and then the program, how we can write this program in the QBASIC, and then they had asked me, and the program series is like in a like look like in this way. So we can see first one, and then two, and then three, and it same on the proper way it is increasing in the same numeric pattern from the one to the several string, some string numeric series. Okay, in the first we can see one, and then in the step two we can see two numbers, but that is only 2 and 2, and then after that in the next we can see 3 and 3 and 3. It means every step is increasing the numeric series in the stepwise procedure. So this program is not hard, but if we give logic on this, then we'll have a little easy to understand the program, and then also it will make us easier to learn this program how we can write. Okay, so before writing a program, then I like to tell you that first we need one. Okay, in this program we need one. That it means the program will start from the one, and then after that the program will continuously increase or increment in the step of one increment. It means first step is one, and then second, and it is this program is upgraded into the fifth step, and then also in this same pattern we can see that the program is giving the numeric series or output to us in the first step number one, and then second step 2 and 2, and then third step 3 3 3, and in the next step 4 4 4 4 4, and then in the fifth step the number 5 is repeated for the 5 times. So first we need one. It means how can we get? So I'm going to show you how we can write this program. Okay, I'm not taking long time, so I'm going to tell you about this program. Okay, the basic program is written in the QBASIC is by starting the CLS. First we need CLS, and then we need one, and number is number is displayed in the repeated form. Then we need looping. There are many types of looping, but generally we use the for loop for the proper usage and proper output, which is a little easier. And then most of the programming is also using the for looping to display the output. Okay, so I'm going to use here loop for loop. Okay, the first step is there are 5 steps in the program, so the program will be like this. For I am taking I as of here. I'm looping I equal to 1 to 5. Why I'm taking is this is for the step of the programming. Okay, so 1 to 5 means our program will run for the 1 to step 5, and in the for loop the step will automatically increase in the programming system manner. And then just I'm closing this program because it will make me to write a program without any errors, and then it will show proper output. Okay, so for and next I have ended. Okay, also I like to tell you show you here I have started the program by for I, and then also I stop this program in the next I. Okay, then we need the programming pattern. Okay, so first for I equal to 1 to 5. 1 to 5 I am taking for the step step of the program. Here you can see 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so in the next we need the output. Okay, how can we get? First we need the output. If we use the some numeric pattern, it will give us little hard, but in the first step one number is displaying, in the second step 2 number is increasing. So how can we give logic? Okay, so I'm going to take one next loop as j, for j equal to 1 2 and something else. Okay, why I'm stopping there? So I need a 1 for the first step, and then 2 and 2 in the second step. Then how can it is possible? Every step I need a programming pattern for the equal form. Then if I use for j equal to 1 to 5, then it will be a little wrong. But if I use j equal to 1 to I, then I can get a little proper output. And then next I am going to write here next. Now it will be j. Okay, then here I need to in the step of for j looping, then I need to print the output. So what we need to print? Okay, so it is little easy. Then okay, take a logic. If I print I, then in step one, if I print one, I can get. It means you can see here, step is increasing from the one in the I, and then j equal to 1 to I. It means every time j will run up to the I means in step 1 I equal to 1, then 1 to 1 j will run. Okay, for j looping will run, and then next step, if for I equal to 2, then j will run for the 1 to 2. Okay, I'm going to give you logic here. I'm going to write, if for I equal to 1, then the program will like this, for j equal to 1 to 1. Okay, the basic concept of a program. And then if for I equal to 1 sorry 2, then what will happen? Then the program will run for j equal to 1 to 2. Okay, 2, not a 2, okay, 2. Then the program will on the basis of it. And then if I print j, okay, if I print j like this way here, if I print j, what will happen? If I print j here, then the program will give what output to me. Okay, if I print j here, then what will be happen? J equal to 1 and 1 and 2, then program will give me first 1 and then 1 2. Okay, 1 2, but I don't need this. If I print the same in the same way, programming pattern like I here, if I print, then what will happen? If I print I, then programming pattern will give me what, first I equal to 1, then program will give also me I equal to 1. And then if I print again I, then the programming pattern here we can see this, for j equal to 1 to I. In step 1 we can get, okay, I'm in step 1 I can get 1. And then in step 2, okay, in step 2, then what I'll get? In step 2, the I will be 2 and j equal to 1 to 2, means 2 times I will be repeated. Then and then print I equal to I will be also 2, and then it will be give us 2 and 2. Then the program is a little in the way. So let's say, and same pattern will be displayed on the upcoming events. So now I'm going to run the program, and what will the output displayed on the screen? Let's check it now. Okay, so I'm getting this 1 2 2 2 2 2 2 and then so on in the program, but I need the different types of pattern. Number should be in the uh, uh, should be in 5 line, total 5 line. Then I'm going to give here semicolon. Okay, what semicolon will do? Then semicolon will add the output in the same line. Then what will happen here is, look at the screen. Then program is giving us 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 5 5 5, but I need another pattern. Then what I missed here is print, and then just leave it here. No, do not write anything else here. Just write a print, and then let's check it now. Okay, then the output what we needed is, now we can see on our screen 1 and then 2 2 and then 3 3 3 and then 4 4 4 4 4 and then so on 5 5 5. If we increase the numeric pattern here, then also we can get the output likewise we need for the so on. Okay, so this is the this is the program to write programming patterns for the for loop to display this program. Okay, so final output what will happen is, I'm going to show you. Okay, the program is exactly right. Declare function name, give some name for the program. Then I'm going to give generally we use pattern, and then just I'm closing. And there are different types of program function in the programming. Then this is called uh, empty function, and then CLS here, and then okay, then I'm going to print and then end, and then next function name is pattern, and then end function. Why I'm doing this is there is error is showing, so I am just uh, yeah, deleting that error, so that's why I have done this. So now the programming pattern we have written here, I'm going to pasting here and then print pattern. Okay, pattern, because we need output. So after that I'm going to delete this program, and I'm just going to run this program now. Then what will happen, let's see. Okay, now we can see this program is displaying the output, and the same output what we needed is displaying now here. And then don't concentrate your mind for the zero, this is not related on this program. Okay, so what we need and what we needed in the program is now you can see in the examination, if it will ask, then you can write like this program in this way. Okay, so this program uh, to write a programming pattern. Now you can write the same pattern program for the other numbers to display this display these types of